setting up a manufacturing business for Pan Masala and Zarda. We appreciate you joining us on our channel. This time we are going to explain an exciting venture that is a business opportunity of opening a Pan Masala and Zarda manufacturing business. This is an important venture for both ambitious business owners and established business owners who are working to grow their existing business. This video will explain the need to know information for opening this business, including market need, required machinery, opportunity for startup businesses, and what Need Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, can do for you. Let's begin. First, overview. Pan Masala and Zarda are popular items in India and other regions of South Asia. Pan Masala and Zarda contain millions of consumers and have a lucrative business opportunity towards you. Pan Masala is made from areca nuts, slaked lime, catechu, and other flavoring agents, whilst Zarda contains flavored tobacco. Both items carry significant cultural and social significance, which creates demand for these business opportunities. Second, market demand and business opportunity. The market for Pan Masala and Zarda has a vast market. With continual urbanization and rising disposable incomes, the demand for these items will continue to rise. Market study indicates that the Pan Masala market appears to be on a steady growth due to new flavors and packaging for these intended products. What these future forecasts indicate is a golden opportunity for business and startup companies to take on business opportunities in both of these market areas. Third, requirement for machinery and equipment. While establishing a manufacturing plant requires planning and investment in machinery, that is the right machinery for this business. The right machines for these products are as follows. The following is information that you will require for setting up a venture. Mixing machines to adequately mix the required products equally. Drying equipment, remove moisture to allow adequate time of longevity for the product. Packing machines, hygienically pack the consumed product. Filling machines, for added flavors to add specific flavors to our flavor. Considerations for plant location. A facility location requires distance to suppliers of the product you will be producing, as well as individual related to workers skilled related to your manufacturing plant's area. The location you require is also access to transportation. Manufacturing sequence. The assembling chain typically includes cleaning and sorting raw materials, mixing, flavoring, drying, and packaging. Every process chain has certain machinery and/or expertise to deliver quality and efficiency. Fourth, opportunities for new startups. For startups, Pan Masala and Zarda offer multitude of unique opportunities. Following a proper strategy, you can make your brand unique by finding special flavors, reusable clean packaging, and high-quality products. Also, you can expand your reach and gain loyalty utilizing digital marketing. If you implement this strategy in conjunction to the others, you will benefit greatly. Fifth, challenges and considerations. Like all businesses, the Pan Masala and Zarda industry uniquely has challenges. Regulatory compliance is a big challenge. These products, like tobacco, have rigorous government regulations. You should consult an attorney to keep compliance in real time. All in all, it is important to stay up to date with legal compliance and ensure your products processing meets safety and quality. Be vigilant as competition exists in same partners. Innovation and marketing provide an upper hand. How we can assist you? Need Project Consultancy Services, NPCS, promises to foster and guide you through a dispersive setting to sustain and develop startups and a possible manufacturing business. NPCS provides you with all possible and prospective establishment, including market survey and detailed techno-economic feasibility report. Our reports includes everything from manufacturing processes to market research, flow sheet diagramming, equipment details and raw material requirements. Project financials. We provide the complete project financials on seeing respective feasibilities. Industrial project consultancy. Our experts will document you through the establishment process of this opportunity. If you are interested in starting or expanding, NPCS will be your venture partner into success. Our comprehensive and elaborate project reports as well as our business plans are designed specifically for your requirements and ensure you will have all the information needed to make an informed decision. Thank you for viewing. When you're ready to move forward and establish your own Pan Masala and Zarda manufacturing company, reach out to us at Neer Project Consultancy Services. If you like the content, please ensure to like, subscribe and hit the bell button for notifications on additional valuable videos. Until next time, happy entrepreneuring. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.